Accra House of Folk is in administrative meltdown as NCC chairman Yusuf responds to a letter meant for the house management, but house says they don't even owe the Logon Stadium administrators.
Na me busa sa na support adana supporters neka.
Tama, so after you are coming to the administrative meltdown because this letter it was an email that was sent to the secretariat, so obviously co-administration. Then the House of Folk NCC chairman responds to the email that is meant for House of Folk administration. Tama, are you after you are getting the administrative meltdown?
So what's the own reason? Biana.
Tama, you be say one. Anko Adiame na akoye negotiations no. One to asubi after paying 6,000. So we say Sikanomo say 50,000.
Anko Adiame will act as the MD for hearts and your one personal and then the personal capacity.
Of course, so the House MD now ne Legon Penifono Kasafa home. Whilst they were trying to rectify the misinformation anomalies na one to asubi. So sometime last month and Legon Penifono be afraid House of Folk say look, you are supposed to pay this amount during the time when you were training on our pitch. And when put there, and yet, born now has a ball charges. So, until I offer the NCC letter now, the NCC letter seems to be speaking to two things. The NCC letter is speaking to one, a canna from 2016 to 2018, no, and then the same letter is also speaking to born now has ball Hoscar Mutiano any more than Mudiano. All these things are supposed to be administrative, yet the supporters now clearly you cannot say there's not administrative meltdown at House of Folk.
Yeah, me say meltdown, but today, yeah. Because why should supporters be responding to official letters? You actually their breast secretariat. Why? Now I was say also mona mo chana mo because they did not do. We do let we do lego
almost any response.
Any response.
If you speak to the supporters front, almost any direct response to
the
but it's only a press statement now. They've issued a press statement speaking against Namibia Air Coso. Oh, so before we now about
and there be boy and Namibia Coso will go.
Yes, with regards to has a canon. They think say first of all the management is dealing with them. The management is in hand with Legon.
Okay.
So last week when House of Folk played their last game over there, House of Folk paid 6,000 at that moment. The whole thing is about say initially they go for the Basa has the Omaka from 2016 2018 about
16 to 18
they didn't non count all the Basa 20 and I have for document numbers in 2018 you and now Omako back and then they go for all this they go for they can almost count without any documented IBM de betre and then they go for I come back say the 2016 about 17.
Now investing for any document.
According to House of Folk, they've not shown.
My young say you are not a metro and so. Yani a branch and marketing manager, Kwaku Hammond, ono and Yanin in Komoka Krebini and CB. Sina Moatiano pay.
Josumina Bema.
But now, oh, yeah, dear.
Yamidia Che, Minia.
And Rana, who say Unilever for an androphoby. Eba Adakojachi, Ebe, yes, a sampling or some child dear. Then, of course, so what is it about? And why more we want to understand.
Okay, Medasi Baby Minia. So when you say you've really gotten me on the very wrong footing, so you've broken me to speak on radio since I joined the.
And you're reading account.
Why are they?
Mate.
Anyway, so what it is that since beginning of the season, we Asante Kotoko has been able to get a couple of good packages from sponsors, and we want to bring the image of the club back to where it was. Our supporters, the man who said yes, you are not among. I can't say team so that's what I say.
Wow, yeah.
It's Unilever International had a conversation, and then we have been they want to come and meet the players and sample them with their product. That's what I say. In the sampling, what they normally will do is that they will come with products and come and let the players know that look, we are almost at the point where but you need to be sure, say, this is just the tip of the iceberg. But never be brave back once the formal relationship is formalized. That's what I say. So that is exactly what we did. But you say Unilever International, no, the brand and development manager, the business development manager, no, it looks after Africa. And Unilever Ghana is also under them. So what it was is that they have key distributors who they work with.
Okay.
They have, in all the big brands, so they have key distributors that they work alongside with. Because they are international, they cannot set up office and do retail.
They deal with the
everywhere. The distributors, even in Accra, in Kumasi, in Tamale, they have key distributors. All the brands.
And the Papaya Mono, you know, one of the key distributors.
It's, he went through that the ash. So the business development manager for Unilever Africa is the Onyx Ajason, who was the one who did the presentation to the club.
Okay.
But the distributors, being that the ash, came alongside with them because they have the products that they sell and give to the retail shops to sell on behalf of Unilever International.
Obano top fine say Unilever International bia nyame ya adoma enchom ne kotoko be adwuma sanete
me patron and other brands are coming on board. Osha we club no you are so attractive say other people are knocking on our door day in day out.
Okay.
And we are excited about it because service yeah the sika in the adwuma na no. And you have realized truth be told, supporters don't come to the stadium as they used to do because of their own issues that we are set.
Okay.
And some of them we can.
Mami Musa will swear. They are knocking on or at your doors. Namse Kotoko are attractive. Nabai what then and Amos Wamanaba. What's me the biaba? Dada. Oba ye what me the biaba. Wamona. Oba ye wadara moment me aba ebi ne hwamwa.
Oh yenya hydration partner ye wo the country ye wo Alpha Lotto yenya fintech partner cover yenya your friend is saying laundry partner because when you suggest it needs extra good care. We have a partner Laundera, they are doing that well for us. And other people plenty, if you realize that we flyers are here from official social media handles now. You can attest to the fact that all our sponsors are down there.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
I mean, you have to connect there. It's supporters, I'm chances say,
That's right.
Yes. You will game Saturday. The following week, you will home game. I want to see the numbers. So, you can see our tickets, 20 cities, 30 cities. And on a bull, you're caught up for so now. Yeah, my Asante and then, Kotoko, you got so.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Hammond, me that say, and me say, na me pay that clarification. No, say, okay, Nyamisha, thank you very much. We
thank you very much.
On the brands and marketing manager Asante Kotoko. Or say in Liban International. And na
come
Babu we
na mo floor na me kan have
no ni floor. Wafo interview nko na ni floor. Ube ya ma wi after go di wi aba. Enye interview wafo 2 minutes e wi ni.
Kotoko Captain Samba O'Neil agrees personal terms with Simba of Tanzania and may sign today. May sign today. Kotoko to benefit $100,000, but the deal may switch to South Africa.
Abo dey na why? Obi o say ade na o say may switch to South Africa.
Because on say you know, on say in transfer business say the one.
And they may sign today. Say about 11:34. And then I was akesha. And then na mu may South Africa.
Then na no say wan nye Simba de no a and ye na
if reach na ko no South Africa.
South Africa.
That's Captain.
Kotoko de na o mo pe o mu no and na issue no.
Okay.
So Kotoko 150,000 100,000 no and the issue because yes Simba for no much me no. Ebi nimi so mo ntua ska no mo mfa no. Ebi no say o manya information say aka ni 6 months to mo ntwa no mra free. But boy ni say obeko free dia onko Simba no obeko South Africa. On Matthias. Coach Karim Zito. Snub Kotoko players demand and ask for a recall of his second assistant Hamza Obeng, and IMC are tinkering with the idea of reinstating him.
Reinstating why?
Hamza. The IMC are tinkering with the idea of reinstating Hamza.
Tinkering?
Yes.
Okay. Captain.
It was also
I don't do everybody have for the Pempecoli, you know. Okay, to do.
Oh, before Kessians no way.
Last time coming, catch say the GFA are considering Hugo Bruce.
Sorry, them this is here now way.
Oh,
has what you
Yeah, but darling boy, to I don't know.
Who details?
Okay, yeah, Fabrizio. Mati, come with you.
So there's something here. House of Work to one University Authority from Hair Park in the son. Actual bread almost say almost the Omoka 2018. The 2018 House of Work, a call Frey Hakma Edukoya checking. Now House of Work. Almost clean bill. Yes, honorable. No more clean bill. There's no a standing bill be our
as of 2018.
As of 2018. Then House of Work went back to them. And then confirm after almost backtrack because no from 2016 about 2017. What I say? And I said then some provided documents evidence a chance and pomo this account. At the back and forth has decided okay. Yeah, study no more the rent here. So to calm down tempest na yakọ anymore. Sikana mo kano. You tuano in installments ana.
Yes, omo di tumu with evidence na say.
So yeah, tuana say evidence ne bana eyampa. You tua say what you have evidence na ma. Once am do rent here no. Say a lot of matches that will be playing am the article.
Okay.
You see the point?
Then
yes. Then the university authorities no ejitu mo say yenye ne sa. And the House of Work atua sika no 6,000 Ghana cedis.
And I can't say that.
No, I can't let's say 11 or more. And what you are 6, 11, 17 there about 11, and I can 11,500.
Okay.
So now 17,500, and I have that you are 6,000. And the amount so much an installment. And you know why a university for no, what they call reconciliation, or more books as against house for him the Kenny ho. And don't go on family. Say a banner say and partner it is established. Then House of Work. Yes, I
will be so then can evidence in my house me and a banet.
Say I'm free because I'm doing rent here.
I don't care someone to my moon.
And aha, at the honor, how for your friends say university authorities no. Say if I know I didn't care something I want management do that. Has the phone ICC for no bufo say aden na ma de no aba bonten 11,500 ya start to cry etua. So they are accusing the Legon for no say omo na amade no aba bonten. And the MCC for no omo displeasure. Ano my selected they direct respond to omo to free say the body aba bonten they selected they say we beka. Me to what ya say. Eti no ma come so kwa yi mo so omo ka say scan ko mu chama stadium no ya the man has to for 11,500 every week match omo. And ko omo try in two installment. Ebu omo try true omo. Ono mu try physical cash. Enso bi. And omo ka che Legon authorities say now omo one clear omo try scan no. Because omo free say scan before no they suspect fishing deal be a that is another some momo dey benya momo dey very
EDI so we come be brave to say if you are dealing with any organization which may to can be by momo which may once ni higher forms of payment so there's no problem.
Yes, but do the house of group fee say na mo ye dey mo be say mo free say they are doing that to tarnish the club's image. Supporters be obu jano
no be tarnish club image say your supporters
there so some fee say yeah supporters yeah na club no to say that yes be press conference
no mo leaders na na adwuma na also mo
ye press conference
munya bi ntia no akofan for
to let the world know say they Legon that's how your public university
between us the folk as a big football club ni so almost supporters one na kasa kwa bonten ebeti
no so they first management they no mo ye nyina no go for na for respect even though muma document in my
management also mo complain where they am asem
say supporters on for team no and na mo so supporters no ebuofo am so aye do my press
una ya obu be kire ben ye say akoko ade achi a akoko nya uza ade achi
akoko nini
na ebom
akoko bi de onim ade chie
so akoko
so refri onina no
sanity sa asem na o kan ne ben
no what I want to say is so enye direct response to the letter.
It's needless.
But that okay, so needless. That I agree with you.
But say management is keeping.
So that I don't know. I'm explaining that management mail that
most supporters. No, Obia mechanisms or Monday neka.
Some management board money no.
Obia wona dwuma oye in an organization.
Ombofu. Supporters no bofu. So they are no China. China Africa Mashasi. Say you.
Yeah na pa ba ko kan ne nko na ma de no and abegu oni ana affect o kaka.
Say you the because yes, Kotoko and Kozito requesting the return of Hamza no. Tells me there's a breakdown something. Send management no you for Hamza the free from the first team no. E chere say enkomodi ankoso.
Enkomodi ankoso say.
With the thinker head no.
Say they assign. I'm not assigning Hamza.
So about Oba you know. So how did Hamza get to the first team?
And paying for na den koye.
And you know and now koye no. Wakwa establish it because Vito is comfortable with him. It is how person winner. Some commodity kakra ekoso.
Oh, one is on your way.
No, I can't come make say.
Oh, he's away ne bia di. E bia wa mpene so. E bia nya dia ne bodo.
So that's why because there's a breakdown something over there.
There's no breakdown. Make him there some to any say na mpesa me here. You may not support the idea. But just management cannot take their decision. So they have taken the decision for the guy to go back. They want sanity.
So what is the reason?
Oh, na say reason here clear. I'm so mo fans so me under one way. They are starting in any case.
You can do the two.
In any case, me pacho.
In
any case. Zito say I'm the first assistant. So what is the problem? It's not as if so first assistant.
That Juma will be the man officer. He's doing it perfectly for the
on the Juma. The Juma management the funny
because the management accepted say comes and make home. So why you got the Hamza
almost one sanko.
And do buy no so buy no Hamza bed. I'm a coach is energy no. This officer we na me so too. And now we can the same Kotoko na. Officer we na. Some continue busa coach no say ebi Hamza buy ebi ya sign for first team as a second team. Buy a free say. But they didn't do that.
Enyesane no.
I don't think that the idea of
Enyesane
all person down the back.
Enyesane no. Management Enyezito na kemo ko fa Hamza mre team no.
Debi.
Management na the Hamza ba so may a certain job. Hamza comes so Kroneko first team no. Actually no come back to Macedonia.
Are you saying that Hamza going to support the first team? Zito can be no or the buyer now.
Or can ko be na play. Sango for now no more the right to reassign him.
No, that's no problem.
And Zito's an assistant or
no Zito ni assistant. So and you know yeah what is happening between Zito and assistant everyone why is this up Hamza
Captain Mr. Matuas, Mr. Mese, Zito so assistant.
Oh, but yet he still insisting saying.
Any assistant lady no Hamza Mre. I hope you on your assistant.
Because the only say why Zito will be insisting say still up Hamza.
And they say no na be. Obi na go for you o madibo baby say omodo ma no akoka say. They have to allow him management take.
I think they come for the
club no. Be say Hamza nko abeboa. And they can come out and explain. But they think that Hamza Koshewa, it will bring sanity, everything there will be fine. I don't know.
I think someone said Hamza Juma Paul the back Kotoko youth team. And Nyamea Domwa youth team that started ball. Must start your division train. On say time Hamza by him to now omu bomb middle league no mo ball na omu free mu. And omu winning first match, second match omu free mu, something like that. It's nice at that time no Kotoko youth team na adwuma no so atepa. Time Hamza by no. And the other big job to Hamza say na done anymore Kotoko youth team was the Cheetah Cup. After Cheetah Cup na adwuma no Atiako Kotoko youth team adwuma bi an said ni homa Hamza. So the story was that Sabria division 3 na start on to Sunday crown I think Monday no nanka Kotoko youth team ne bobo and a team na money on bobo no ment me and
what catch say Hamza no adwuma no de ba so nya na start
no
but
intimido
we are aware they are
Utielo Asafu Duku so
we have also done some
on say the lawyer Asafu Duku say next season Kotoko said and talk
follow up on bad funny a story no
why Samba
no
oh okay the farmer
my name say God the ban say Samba for no contacted Kotoko 2-3 months ago 2 months ago but since the moment at the moment there's a Libyan clubber or no fresher or more young adwuma
okay
aye minimum agent asem so the ban so yenya input can come back
to Samba corner there he say
it looks like he has agreed to be konemu
send a Kotoko benya kakra
this sound
just omo ye ho adwuma send a Kotoko benya kakra say no akwa no ni training ground so
eza and I'm go sign are there na for why for baby obeko no okay
don't go for no so mu say bia
general de na miansa mo ho no ni ho enra so adamfu Zakito adamfu no so mehu no list to ba me to me bi say mu no obso
no so me tin asem
obso okọ
say am so medals am say of you medals bra and then na mu be ball loan now he's gone back say January mu ne o mu refi ti loan okọ say e ka say o medals bra this ben and obi bobolo no come back to the club
I think so no
what you can now say what you
come back no make say
you can yakoda
so Africana ne koi titi Africana ne koi
ayi kwakuma kola no ayi coach Freddy
me am ofase I say timu come
no that's a fair near
oko baby
just no make say registration no na me ye na yi kakra I say registration no on say Kotoko hia space
yeah
and I say no Omar Johnson and now 2 abeka on say Chairman Johnson aba I say so by kwan so abebo be
no way
no man register last
no mo
yeah nti say na so mu hia space nti eno am ehunu nti eno am bi say mu na say say akire di enye di bi anko bi say and then no coach akwesi apia so training grounds I was a bit happy seeing him around
but the Sudan skills no be bozi to
yeah the also Oba Beshebi and now who Johnny Malik Jabel was also present also be hebi na penka na nkasa so be shebi nti o to be send en nyoma ko and now Asante Michael Kufu so around no so yeah o internship for Kotoko so or school Debbie to be internship near yeah send it but Samba story is boiling
I'm to Libya
now but no to answer the question is transferring don't be So with all these things looming, how is Kotoko going to replace him? No, Ghana transferring to Bewune. Say Abloko. And a Samba Soko.
That near you.
Until they are working, we have been seen there.
Manya Santi, but say, be any pan mood, do no. As we are some fufro.
Yeah, quite evil.
So I'm saying, quiet for so ye a boo. Any NTS. Say has management. Has management. I intend to negotiation with management of Legon Stadium. Nanti asenye adwuma na supporters na betwero ho letter be kire sa asem ne ha wo. No, eba na yes aye no.
Obi a wo team no no partnership which is ongoing.
No,
kwai
faso, ye football Ghana ha ne de. Em say ye nkwa ye ti wiase fufuro bi o. Ene ye bon ko no mom so aka na ye o mo bon ko. Enfa na yes ade we.
In business they kai normal. And business
I say supporters no kwa one way or the other chair management is omuni momo ye.
Na no mga bin rainy heading I did touch you.
Em say starting na supporters leaders so to ye chiro momo dwuma. Because they say club especially Kotoko ne has ye nya fa supporter leader pe. No kwaje management adwuma ye. Administrative work na afa na adwuma na ye management adwuma no. No mo kwa kwaje ebi na ba na nsen afa bu senso so ebi ana asa kosi wo ayihasi supporters ni mo ro eti management adwuma kura na mzutu no makwaje no maye has omo hwesa ade ni chairman Yusuf enye wadwuma no enye wo na ese wo trolete ekoma legonfo ne warning even if mzutu information on my passing out information here wronger at this particular moment has ehia legon stadium ni chance legon stadium here has stadium no mo hia legon omo hia has team ni hia legon stadium ni chance legon ehia has then you come out to write a letter just because ebi I am opportunity as a supporters chairman to get closer to management who good team ni kura ni mase enye wadwuma no chairman Yusuf ade we nko ade me de me pe wa sempa wo ba ha so nyoma mate se wo ye no wo ya ba ade we de Mr. Offside me nko ho bi mentizito ene Hamza ene coach Prince sense mentiasi me pese obi baba bonte be kire mase
emu de na hunu na ye ntirum
se na se ne koba se Kotoko management Hamza nko ba a om ko fan so
ba start om league no
ene zito zo mo zanfa na ba
ohia no
edita mo mma na kono ma mo coach na mane ana
oh he's aware
ene wasa ababiem so se hia no dia asemni masa na dwuma na asem we de nka na ba bia na jai
no he's aware yo
oya aware
ena enya de opene so
se we ya aware ene se obepene so eye different
he's aware
mabo wa mane se mi koye sei mayi wa so tiri no ba so wan kan kire me se won ti ase a eno so ye different
ade bu e kwa na hu sa ade be frunti debi
bizoto
me question is assistant
from the equation says there is a problem between the management and the coach
the assistant the management
no there is a problem between Kotoko management is the two my pass am ne wa anya yi and it can also be part reason why team need to be performing
come on won't Prince Owusu ne igna
o my day
Sibia ombetime a step in
asem wo ho bizoto asem wo ho because asem we dey bizoto
the bad asem ba wo
yakofa Hamza ba yi muso be youth team na zito de ne be bata na ho Kotoko so bo match kwa na hwe bench wa Hamza de otimu se coach right hand man o ema zito create mi ko tran chen ema Hamza be gina nchen touch line coach ena management dia ba bontin say Hamza yakofa o se be youth team coach after the youth team no Hamza so ba Kotoko na youth team no mo bobo
no mun satili abi no be league
eyo mo na body vision 3 wo ayi maybe dabi no mo monwe obo no mo monwe ana me ko Kotoko match alignment
afi no mo bo
dabi me ma Kotoko 3 matches be 3 matches alignment
afi no mo bo
enye Kotoko team na body vision 3 no oh obejai
okay afi no so nko hwe na ade
Obejai.
o de
Me ba wo no ma boy wi. No ma boy wi. The time na no mo ye training na Hamza na do mo ye training.
no me training keke
Na hwan na wo for mo ye training o be for makobo match.
nti no de o me training ti o de bi no de o me training
O for mo ye training.
but I say no so focus 100% in fan kobo bo nyina
Asem we die. Eno ma asem ma ko fa be de o ma be bie funu nani. Say coach Karim Zito any Kotoko management there is a big problem. No problem oh. Asem obi no betia convince me say problem. Me say obi because these are issues am so to when a team is taking a technical decision. Na say coach ni G2 on san ko bremi ensa me kan jese mo fanamra.
Ebi so awanyantu.
And to hear the profile.
Ebi awanyantu.
On say here assistant coach, youth team coach. It's a position you know.
Ebi awanyantu.
Fast maba.
Ebi awanyantu.
Oba the crowd go fast maba.
Oba say youth team coach be assistant coach.
They will call them say assistant coach and youth team coach. Me ba just say me we say. Na bo temba. Kotoko marketing.
Oh yeah, comment back.
Kotoko marketing manager. Ba Jonas ni din say.
Kweku Hammond.
Baby edu na edu ani bre. Anya agrosem. This current Kotoko untimi me gina me kan say attractive. Man na da no.
Will say he's a brand person. That's how you should.
And based on the position he's holding.
San also.
And they kura na ya say Kotoko. They wa feel like se pa yo no.
Oba enche yo.
Musu dia na oba echo onya ketua. Onya ketua. Ah, ne ka. Oya adwuma ni free. No, mo be say mo cheso oya adwuma ni free.
Bo assemble ja bo.
Say say na mo kan wa.
Assemble ja bo.
Wala kai.
Obi an ka. Ya me pre 1 minute ama abas no. How to talk down man. O ma mi nko edu friends man kesim.
But you talk as a dynamic.
Edu Heba Hospital. That's Edu Heba Center. So to